You can see all the signboard here, even this petrol station, all in like brown color because they want to match with the aesthetic of the village. Not village, like a small town, like heritage town.
300 meters, turn left.
This one is a famous onsen place I mentioned. You can feel the small town is like this. This one is Karuizawa town. People walking around.
Please turn left, then you will...
This place start to snow a little. This place called Karuizawa Hoshino area, where there's a lot of cafe, like a small little village. This is the wild bird sanctuary. I saw people walk around. Now we are here. Can go to this. Then the food places. I think this is the place where everybody queue for the food. I think it's a famous restaurant. I think I will go and check. Let's take the ticket first. Oh, you're so smart. 11:30 open until 9:30. Before open already, so many packs. Bear. Another bear. Wow, it's snowing outside. The snow. Wow, so nice. This is the famous onsen place. Oh. Apple drinks. Instead of waiting in the restaurant, I told Zoe, let's have a romantic time walking around, right? Can you romantic or not? Hold my hand. No phone. Please lah. See, this place so romantic, right? 2, 3. The leg must same. 1. Left first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait for me. I walk first.
Okay, go.
我不要跟你玩了。
Where to?
Don't want.
Go.
Suddenly very snowy. Dream come true! Yay!
You see the snow? They are like really.
It's our turn. Okay. Wow. I shouldn't eat so many food just now lah. Other dish. Share with you. Rice and meat. Or should I order Sukiyaki? This one looks good eh?
This is beef pepper hot pot.
What is this?
Beef tendon. Oh, very hot.
When you shy Zoe is the one that asked me to do YouTube. I said, just shoot whatever we eat, whatever we go, as a memory too. Then he don't want to be in the video. What's the point? What's your point, baby? Tofu? Whoa,
Like hashu. It's
the
not the
soup
same.
looks so good. Not mine. Wow, your food looks so good. Meat.
Like I get the extra large, extra rice. They really give free a lot of free rice. What's your for you? You take yourself. Okay, you take them.
Oh, don't waste any single rice. Wow, I have been craving for gyudon. Try it. Rice. Wow. Wow. Mushy desu. Precious meat. Wow. Kaya wasabi. Wow.
Dip here. Comb soy shoyu. Please eat
Okay.
together.
Thank you. Phone it first. Think I'm cute, baby. Zen.
So nice. Everything was so nice. That's so good.
What?
I feel like having it.
So this is my sukiyaki dish. Accidentally pour the sauce. Nobody knows. Oh, half gone. Continue. Let me drink hot soup first. Wow. Their miso has so many ingredients. So many ingredients. Try that, baby. 1, 2. They got 2 big meat inside. 3, 4. I need wasabi. Voila. The egg you want right just now. Tempura. Tempura. Got pepper? How can the tofu always good? Another piece of meat, some egg yolk. whole dish. That cold sour fish. Mm. 60% local. This meat really nice. Eat too much at the convenience store. Now have food. The rice might be not finished. The meat is too little. Only 4 pieces. I'm satisfied. Ready to walk the garden. Left 1 piece of meat for Zoe. I will pass to Zoe, and I want the whole bowl of this. I don't know why Zoe food always looks better. Meat. Dun, 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 dun. Yay, ice cream for dessert. Eat ice cream? I really like to eat ice cream in winter, so the ice cream will not melt. Now we want to go to the wild bird sanctuary. Since our body is warm now, let's walk the garden, burn the fats for the next station. Food station, I mean. Oh, you see? There's a bird box. You saw not? But I heard like got tick like that. Look at the water. You might see this creature. Flying what? Flying squirrel. Bird sanctuary. Bird box. What is it about? People is ice skating here with a chair. So cute. We walk for an hour. Yeah, we just walk for like 20 minutes. I don't think we see any birds here. Maybe because it's winter. There's no bird. And it's really windy and cold. And there's no ending road. I don't know how far we need to go in. Is there any surprise? Or there's just nothing and we have to walk backward again. Wildlife protection area. Should we go or no go? Huh? Snowy again? There might be bears. Coba. Coba. Adventurous mah. Coba. So we are back to here, the entrance. And you can tell the snow is getting bigger. So cold.
Our room today is called the what?
Don't know. Haven't checked in yet. Actually, we wanted to stay this onsen resort, but when I see it's already fully booked. It looks really nice outside. It's called Hoshino Onsen Resort. There's a few branches I heard is really good with different type of experience, but the price might be slightly higher. So you need to adjust the budget.